Right, now, the hip thrust machine can be utilised in a number of different ways, right? So firstly, we've got your standard hip thrust, but second to that, you can implement a B stance. Now, B stance is able to be integrated into a lot of movements: goblet squat, RDL, hip thrust, glute bridge. We're going to do a B stance on the hip thrust machine. So any hip thrust machine that you've got accessibility to in your gym, this can be done. So let's set it up first. I won't go through the ins and outs of setting this up, but the B stance is a critical point. We want to bring our heel out to the toe end of the foot that remains on the ground flat. Okay, so what this forces us to do is put more emphasis on the flat foot side, therefore drive and load up harder on that side. So in this instance, it's my right, so my right side's going to do the bulk of the work. The heel is just there for balance more. So you're still going to drive through a little bit, but nowhere near as much as the flat foot. So if we take the weight up and then proceed with our B stance like this, as you can see, the movement still remains the same, and being on a hip thrust machine rather than a free weighted hip thrust, the balance and the stability is actually quite good. So once you've done an even amount on one side, you basically change, reposition, and then go to the other. So what we're doing is we're almost doing one side over the other, almost single-legged, but maintaining the balance. So B stance on a hip thrust, really, really good. If you want to work one side over another, work on some weaknesses, it's a fantastic way to develop your glutes equally on both sides.